yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy from Everyday Trippin', and I'm coming back at you with another video today. As you can see by the title, it's gonna be a sneaker unboxing. And I got the sneaker right here. So without further ado, let's get into the review.
Alright. As you can see, the check mark is that orange and white bandana print.
In these last couple of years, the Nike Dunk has been getting very, very popular. It could be because of their collaborations that they do with very popular designer brands and even colleges. And they also do special edition shoes, such as their Ben & Jerry's shoes. They have the Jackie Robinson Dunks as well. And they also do collaborations with colleges.
The orange and white colorway looks super clean. The shoe retails for $120. The resale is going for double and then more. Obviously, StockX is about $150 to $320 depending on sizes.
This colorway in the Dunk Low is an exact replica of the Syracuse Dunk, which re-released on November 1st, 2022 this year. So I'll probably be getting me a pair because I really do like this colorway. So be on the lookout for that video.
So this was a good deal from the boy at Sneaker Hustle over off Topanga in the Valley, Los Angeles County, California area. Super clean. It came out on May 1st of 2022 this year. Super clean. Definitely see some on feet to these from, I'll get a model to do that because this is too small for me, as you can see. Size 7 right there. It wasn't $200 cost. It was $120 in store. It was a good deal because this shoe is super fire and underrated.
Alright, that's gonna be it for the unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. The video's not over. There will be an on-feet coming in just a second. Stay tuned for that. So with that out the way, I will catch you guys in next week's video.